So the Rawler jig it's a very versatile jig, but there's a couple specific ways that I like to cast it. And while it is called the jig, it's more of a swim type bait. So you want to basically do more of a steady retrieve. But this is typically, you know, the retrieve that I'm doing. I'm casting it out, letting it sink down. Depending on what size you're using, that's going to kind of determine the sink rate on it. But I'm going to just kind of keep a semi-tight line and let that thing tighten up a little bit. And then I'm just going to slow, steady retrieve. I mean, Ross can attest to just how effective the slow death technique is. And kind of the idea behind this bait was to come out with a bait that we could deliver that look, that slow death or slow turn technique up into shallower water, which is what we're doing right here. Where, you know, typically it's a trolling technique, and the only way that you can impart that action is to pull over the fish. Well, you know as well as anybody, those fish aren't going to put up with you driving over them in 3 foot of water. So this technique allows you to cover those shallow flats, delivering, you know, these fish are full of perch.
Yep.
So we're delivering that slow turn technique that they just absolutely can't deny.